Okay, good evening and welcome to Yeshiva YouTube Daily Double. Today we're doing Eiruvin second parak, Mishnayos Aleph and Beis. I was away in the morning, so that's why I'm doing it at night here. Aleph, Osin Pasin Libiros. Let's say you're traveling through Shalayim, let's say, and they had wells on the path, and now a well is considered to be Rishas Hayachid, as long as it's 10 tefachim deep and 4 tefachim wide. And that's what most wells probably are. So you want to take water. You're not going to go into the well and drink it. You want to take water, draw it from the well, and drink it outside the well. But outside the well is a public path, which is a sharab. So you want to make around the well in the simplest type way. You want to make a shayakid so you can carry to the edge of the bore and drink there, or give to your animals to drink. So what do you have to do? What is requisite in order to make a wall? To make a 4 wall, right? 4 walls that are shayakid. Osin pasan beros. Arba the Yumdin Nirin Kishmona, Divra Rabbi Yehuda. Yehuda says basically what you do is you make 4 corners. So the simplest way of making Rosh Hashanah is to take, basically, like this, not doing it like this here, a corner, right, 90-degree angles. Each one is an amma over here, an amma here, an amma there. Each amma is 6 tvachim, and you do that on the 4 corners over there. And we'll see, you can leave, according to Rabbi Yehuda, can leave between 10 and 13 and a third amos in between these walls. And that's considered to be your shliachim. He says if it's the pirsa, right, the distance between each of the yumdin, the posts, is more than 10 amos, between 10 amos and 13 and third amos, and you have to add something. You have to put something in the middle, right? Which is a 6 tefachim, wall, which makes it 12, right? You have 4 corners, which are 2 walls each, right? And then you have 4 more in the 4 sides, in the middle of the 4 sides, right? Arba diyumdin va'arba pshutin, right? Arba diyumdin, which are the posts, which have 2 walls, 2 corners, 4 corners, which are 8 walls, and arba pshutin, 4 separate walls. Govan asar tvachim. Each of these walls have to be at least 10 tvachim, rokman shisha, and at least 6 tvachim wide. V'uvyan kolshu. The thickness doesn't make a difference. U'beinei kamlo shtei revakos shel shalosh bakar divrei Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Meir says shalosh 3 pairs of cows. Now, 3 pairs of cow. A cow approximately is amasai pakos shlish. So it's basically 1 2/3 amas. So if you have 6 of them, 6 cows together, basically 3 pairs of 2. So that would be 10 amos exactly. That's the maximum you can have. If you have more than that, then you have to add, like Rabbi Meir says, another wall in the middle, right, of that empty space. Rabbi Yehuda Omer shel arba. Kshuros v'lemutaros achas neses v'achal yoses. Rabbi Yehuda says, no, you can have up to 4 pairs, which is 8 cows, which is 13 1/3 amos. Even if it opens space of 13 1/3 amos, that's okay. If you have more than that, then you have to put another wall. Like Rabbi Meir says, Kshuros v'lemutaros. When we're talking about the cows, they have to be tied. They can't be non-tied, because if they're untied, they're going to take up more space. There is one cooler, though. You can have one pair facing this side, one pair facing that way, which is not mitzum tzomos. It's not exact, so it's around 13 1/3 amos, maybe 13 and a half is okay also. Right? How much of your animal, right? If you want to drink, right, you have to be right inside these walls, or these, partial walls. You want to bring your animal. Animals are long animals. So as long as most of the body and the animal and, obviously the mouth where it's drinking from are in these walls, that's okay. But if the mouth is just there, but the body is not, we're concerned that you're going to give to the animal, even though it goes outside the walls, which would be from taking from a shliachid sharabim. Of course, you can make the shliachid as far away from the bore as you want. But again, you can't have more than 13 1/3 amos of empty space, according to Rabbi Yehuda, and according to Rabbi Meir, you can't have more than 10 amos of space. We'll talk about Ian Mitzion, Machlokas, Rabbi Meir, and Rabbi Yehuda coming up next.